India's journey from early warnings to multi-hazard resilience. Natural hazards have always tested human resilience. But in today's India, timely information saves countless lives. At the forefront of this mission stands the India Meteorological Department, IMD, leading India's transformation from reactive response to proactive preparedness.
आज का भारत हर प्रकार की चुनौती का सामना करने को तैयार है, चाहे वो क्लाइमेट कंसर्न हो, डिजास्टर प्रिपेयर्डनेस हो, ग्लोबल वार्मिंग हो, और न केवल सामना करने बल्कि हर चुनौती का समाधान खोजने की भी क्षमता रखता है और दूसरे देशों के साथ जानकारी साझा करके उनके साथ सहयोग करने में भी सक्षम है.
The journey began in 1875 when the India Meteorological Department was established under the British government. In the early years, forecasting was completely manual. Charts were drawn by hand and forecasts depended largely on experience rather than modeling and computation. Data was scarce to reach people. In 2009, a decision support system called Synergy was introduced, but it was limited in reach, slow to operate and not scalable enough to serve the entire nation, leading to frequent delays and limited lead time in early warnings. Meanwhile, demand grew for faster, more accurate and localized forecasts across multiple sectors. The urgent need for impact-based forecasts that not just predict weather, but its likely consequences. From floods to heat waves, India has felt nature's fury, and disasters revealed a crucial gap forecasts of weather but not its impact. There was an urgent need to move from information-based forecasting to impact-based forecasting to anticipate not only the weather but also its potential consequences on life, property and livelihoods. To bridge this gap, IMD scientists came together to develop an advanced, automated system that could deliver real-time, location-specific impact forecasts, and the Multi-Hazard Early Warning Decision Support System was born. The Multi-Hazard Early Warning Decision Support System, that is DSS, is a digital platform that automates decision-making on critical weather forecasting processes and generates forecast and warning services for public, government and non-government agencies as well as specific stakeholders.
Multi-hazard early warning decision support system developed and operational in IMD is the current state-of-art early warning system to predict not only the weather event but also hazard and its risk, and giving an impact-based forecast and warning with suggested action up to district and sub-state level.
It integrates real-time data from satellites, radars and ground and upper air-based sensors and from an array of weather prediction models into a centralized GIS-enabled platform, replacing outdated manual workflows. It has capability to develop and issue impact-based forecasts and risk-based warning for all severe weather hazards. IMD coordinates with other centers of Ministry of Earth Science. The system has a state-of-the-art capability which integrates real-time data from various sources covering all meteorological data, hazard and NWP product and historical data. The system is also customized with different models and with different hazards for sectorial applications. With timely guidance from IMD, communities can stay one step ahead of outbreaks and protect public health through climate-smart action.
IMD helped us, while making 2023 the cyclone, which was going to be happened. They gave information to us. Based on that, we stopped our fishing and we saved our lives.
Under the visionary leadership of Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi, India has achieved an unprecedented leap in weather forecasting technology, driven by the goals of Digital India and Disaster Resilient India. The IMD has developed one of the world's most advanced multi-hazard early warning decision support systems. This digital transformation has enabled India to shift from dependence to dominance, from manual charts to automated weather forecast products. The system now provides district-level, sector-specific forecasts for aviation, marine, urban, surface transport, tourism, health, power, environment, water sectors among others, making India's forecasting smarter, faster and more reliable than ever before. High Resolution Rapid Refresh Model HRRR, Electric Weather Research and Forecast EWRF, BFS, Bharat Forecast System are the new additions with high resolution to deliver hyper-local forecasts at the Panchayat level. Mausamgram, an initiative by the India Meteorological Department, brings real-time, location-specific weather forecasts to every Gram Panchayat. With the vision of Har Har Mausam, Har Ghar Mausam, it empowers rural communities with timely alerts for rain, storms and extreme weather, helping farmers and families plan with confidence. Common Alert Protocol introduced in India in 2021 enables IMD to reach out every person with SMS through mobile phone during the expected weather hazards. In the digital era, IMD's presence on social media ensures that every warning reaches citizens instantly. Multiple digital platforms use disseminated websites, WhatsApp groups, social media, mobile app and Common Alerting Protocol CAP are used by states' governments to deliver color-coded warnings directly to the mobiles of vulnerable people. IMD engages millions with real-time alerts, explainer videos and educational posts, converting complex data into simple, actionable information. This remarkable journey of innovation and dedication brought both national and global recognition. IMD received the National Award for E-Governance 2025 for its multi-hazard early warning decision support system, a symbol of India's leadership in digital governance. On the global front, IMD was honored with the prestigious Sasakawa Award by UNDRR, a tribute to its outstanding contribution in advancing disaster risk reduction and saving lives. These milestones reflect the government's unwavering commitment to technological innovation, digital empowerment, and citizen safety. Today, India successfully evacuates lakhs of people well in advance, minimizing casualties and ensuring faster recovery. India's preparedness model, powered by IMD's DSS, stands as an example for the World Zero Life Loss mission. From agriculture to aviation, marine to energy, and urban planning, IMD's impact-based forecasts now support every sector. Sector-specific warnings have strengthened agriculture and the blue economy.
Multi-hazard early warning system is the backbone of disaster resilience. It integrates forecasts for cyclones, floods, heat waves, and other hazards into a single coordinated framework. By delivering timely impact-based information to communities, these systems empower people to act, reduce losses, and save lives. At India Meteorological Department, our mission is to ensure that every citizen, whether a farmer, a fisherman, or a city dweller, or a person from hilly regions, receives clear, actionable warnings to build a safer and more prepared nation.